Weather's getting nice. It's nice and warm. That iced coffee starts to hit right about now. Hi guys. You guys want a nice coffee? Do you want a nice coffee? So I'm in a bit of a hurry. I'm gonna have me an instant coffee, iced coffee. Watch how fast we do this, and they're bomb. First, we need some instant coffee and a cup. And so we can get a little technical with it, we're actually gonna use a measuring cup so I can tell you how many cups of water I actually put in there. Thought I'd note it that we're not using hot water, we're using cold water. I use 1.5 cup of ice cold water. Then I use 4 teaspoons of coffee, rounded, because that's how I roll. I like them round. 1, 2, 3, nice and round. Nice, big and round. Then I get my mixer. Really, you don't need one. A spoon would work, but I already have this one here, so might as well. Flat out. Gotta show you this. Look at that. Look at that froth. That can't happen with the spoon. That's why you can or should or you could use the mixer. It creates all those little bubbles. Now for the ice. It is an iced coffee, so we do use ice. The whole reason of using cold water is there's no sense in using hot water that then we have to cool off with the ice. I used to use hot water because I thought that the instant coffee wouldn't dissolve in regular water, that it would only dissolve in hot water. And one day I had the idea of grabbing just a couple of crumbs of instant coffee and put it in my mouth and noticed that it dissolved instantly. Which is why I tried, hey, what if I just do it in room temperature water? It worked. Next time, hey, what if I try it in cold water? It worked again. Now I put the ice in there and it takes a while for the ice to melt. It doesn't melt instantly and make it watery because the water's hot. So far, this is what it looks like. Would you like a splash of cream? Yes, please. I'd like that very much. Hook it up. Just a splash. Splash. Now for the lid. Put the straw in. Oh, look at the froth in the ice. I think we're going to have to bring it down a little bit before we could lid it. Oh, good. Look at that. Look at that. Foam. Foam on foam on foam. No FOMO here. The lid. 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 Bam. There it is. Got it. Oh, almost forgot. Last trick I learned. I swear I forgot. I knew at the moment I tasted it. It's like it's missing something. 1976 Celtic salt. You grab a pinch. Bam. Oh, I'm gonna put another pinch. Add some salt to your instant coffee. Just a little bit though. Just a little bit. It hits different. Give it one more stir before we leave. And that's it. An instant iced coffee that hits. Let's go.